Hi seekers, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install your crochet hair all by yourself and from the comfort of your home. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, hi, and if you're old, thank you for sticking with me. I'm using 8 packs of the toyotress Boho Butterfly Locks with curls. The length is 12 inches and the color is T30. You can use any crochet hair of your choice. It's still the same process regardless. You need this pin for the installation. It always comes with the hair. Since my cornrows are already done, let's go straight into the installation. This hole right here is called a loop. Take your crochet pin and pass it under your cornrows. If you look closely, you're going to see the hook on the pin. Attach the loop of the crochet hair to the pin and close the latch. Then slide it out of your cornrows gently. Next, take the loose end of the crochet hair, pass it through the loop that I showed you earlier and pull it out gently. Pull the knot of the hair to secure it, and that's pretty much how it's done. Was that easy or not? So I'm going to repeat the process a couple of times till you get it, because in 2025 we girlies need to know how to do our hair by ourselves. Slide the pin under your cornrow, hook the loop of the crochet hair and close the latch of the pin to secure it. Then pull it through the cornrow. If you're having a hard time using the pin, you can use your hands to open the loop and pass the loose end of the crochet hair through the open and loop. Don't forget to pull the knot to secure the hair. Repeat the same process at the back and make sure you space the hair out evenly. Installing your hair yourself requires patience, so just be patient, trust the process. Your arm might hurt a little, but trust me, it's totally worth it. I'm going to repeat it one last time, so watch closely. Pass the pin gently under your cornrows, attach the loop to the hook of the pin and close the latch to secure it. Then slide it out gently, open the loop and pass the other end of the crochet hair through the loop and pull the knot down to secure it. And that's pretty much how it's done. This hair took me roughly 45 minutes to install. If you're a beginner, it might take more time than that. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Like I mentioned earlier, this hair is the Boho Butterfly Locks from toyotress hair. The length is 12 inches and the color is T30. It's super lightweight, easy to install and low maintenance. All you need to maintain this hair is water and a conditioner. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. And if you found this helpful, do well to like, turn on post notifications and subscribe to see more videos like this. I'm not really a fan of short hair, but I like how this one turned out. It's super lightweight. I have some styling videos on my page. Do check them out and learn different ways to style your hair. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.